So where are you on your road to retirement? I mean, you came out of the military with more than 20, so you've
Yes.
got a military pension, right?
Yes.
Is that enough, or you are looking to build a foundation on which to retire?
So yes, her retirement won't cover what we need to cover as far as living here.
I love the Veterans Growing America. I actually have started a little side business. I have like a little boutique. So I like to buy unique items and sell them.
And how is that doing?
Last year, I think I made $300.
Is it your goal to take this fashion business and make it your career?
I hope to be more prosperous.
And how does that work?
I'm a travel agent.
Okay.
I became a travel agent through another vendor that was at the store. She introduced it to me. And what I do is put trips together for people.
Yeah.
So I like a certain standard of travel, and that's what I try to get for my customers or clients.
Do you know how much your lifestyle costs you today?
I just look at our checking account and I see the money go in, and as the month goes by, it all goes out.
Does more than the money that is in there go out?
Depends on the month, yes.
What about saving for the future?
I have my 401k. You have
TSP.
TSP.
Yes.
Yeah. Look, can we talk numbers? Because it would really help me get a handle on your situation. I know you've got a bunch of papers that you pulled for this meeting, which is amazing.
Yes, we do.
Take a look. Thank you. These are your bank accounts. Let me take a look at this. We're going to come back to how much you're saving.